Okay, as you can see, I set it, the temperature, current temperature 64. I increased the temperature to 72, 73 temporarily, but nothing is working. So it says heat on, but it's not running over there. So we need to find out what's the problem at the boiler. This is our boiler, and this one is the pipe coming out from the boiler. It's hot, so that means there's a hot water in it. And if you look in the bottom here, you can see the pilot is running, but it's not firing. So maybe there could be air in the system. So we're gonna drain some water from it, and we're gonna check and see if it's gonna fix the problem. Okay, so the pilot is there, so that means that is good. Could be some problem with this gas thing, but it's on position right now, so that's not the issue. So we're gonna drain the water from there, and we're gonna check and see if it's gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to drain the system. So there's a valve right here, that's how you're gonna drain it. So how this system works is, water comes through township, goes through down here. There's a valve right there. We're gonna lift it up for the fast fill, then goes to the machine, goes in there. Okay. So this one is the return. Okay, so the water comes here, water goes fill there, and then it goes to the machine. It goes to that side over there and goes all the way down there. This is expansion tanks, and from there it goes to all the way inside the house, and then gonna come return this way, come back here, go inside the unit to heat it up. So that's how it works. So we pretty much wanna close this here. First we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this burner off, switch off, so that will shut off. So you see the light is off. Then what we'll do is we're gonna turn this thing off to the off position, so that when the drain water come here, we're gonna drain the water here. This will not go back to the system, so the water will come in there and will go through the inside, and then we'll drain it right here. Okay, so let's connect the garden hose here and then drain it. Okay, I connected the garden hose here. I put the end right there. So let's turn on this valve right here. It's tight. Okay, so if you can see, the water is coming out. I open it all the way down. You can see the water. It's pretty cold water right here. That means it's on the side. Okay, see, that's air in the system. So to fill it faster, you're gonna lift this thing here. So now you can see the water, the sound change, and water moving faster. Okay, so you're gonna feel it. There's still cold water here. You're gonna wait till the water gets too hot. Okay, now the hot water started to come in out. As you can see, it's pretty hot. See that? So that means the water all the way down here. Now I can close this, shut this off. Now I shut this valve off, turn this valve to the open position. So now the water is full. I flip that thing down, so that means it's on the automatic position. This if you look at this side, this is automatic, and this is fast fill position on the top. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the heat, so that thing turn green. That means it's good. So now we're gonna wait till okay, that's fired up. That means it should be circulating. So as you can now, you feel it. This is actually cold. It's not that hot. I mean, it's still hot a little bit, but it's not really hot. So that means we pretty much empty the entire pipe, and let's see if it's gonna heat up, and then if it's gonna stay warm. I mean, it's working, boiler is working, but the radiator is not getting water. I don't know, unless there's a block in the radiator. But this is how you drain the air. As you can see, this is hot now because it was cold before, so now it's fully circulating. So this is how you drain the water, and it should be working well.